All right, number 12, this one wants us to construct a system of two linear equations that has 4, 2 as a solution. So we don't actually have to construct the equations. They're already given. All we need to do is plug them in and test to see which one actually works. So we have this ordered pair 4, 2. And I'm going to start with answer choice A. And I'm going to just plug in the 4 and the 2 for x and y and see if I get the correct answer on the right side. So I'm going to write negative 2. And then the x value is 4. So negative 2 times 4 plus y, which y is 2. And I'm going to see if that equals negative 3. Now, if it doesn't work for one of them, I don't have to try the second one. I can just move on to the next answer choice because it has to work for both. It can't just work for one. And if it works for one, I have to make sure it works for the second one as well. So I'm going to multiply here. It's going to give me a negative 8 plus 2. Does that equal negative 3? Negative 8 plus 2 gives me a negative 6 equals negative 3, and that is not true. Okay, so answer choice A is out, okay? So now I'm going to move on to answer choice B. Let's do it side by side. So we're going to try answer choice B, and I'm going to try the first equation there, which is x plus y equals 6. So I'm going to plug in 4, 2. So if I do 4 plus 2, does it equal 6? Yes, it does. We get 6 on the left and 6 on the right, so that works. All right, so now I'm going to try the second equation for part B, which is y minus 3x equals negative 8. Y minus 3x equals negative 8. All right, so y is 2, so I'm going to plug a 2 here, minus 3 times 4. Does that equal negative 8? So we get a 2. 3 times 4 is 12. And if I do 2 minus 12, that gives me a negative 10 equals negative 8. Okay, so that one doesn't work. So one of them worked, the other one didn't, so it's not a solution to the system. So B is out as well. Okay, so now we're going to try answer choice C. So we have 2x plus y equals 6. I am going to plug in a 4, so 2 times 4 plus 2 equals 6. It's going to give me 8 plus 2 equals 6, and 8 plus 2 will give me 10 equals 6, and that is not true. So C is out. So the last one we have is D. So D has to be the answer unless we've made a mistake somewhere. But we're going to plug it in and check both the answer choices for D and see if we get it. So D, we have x plus y equals 6. So it's kind of like this one up here. We've already done it. We're going to plug in a 4, a 2 equals 6. 6 equals 6. That works out. The second equation is y minus x equals negative 2. So y is 2, x is 4. Does that equal negative 2? 2 minus 4 gives us a negative 2 equal negative 2. Okay, and it makes both equal, both sides equal. So 12, correct answer choice is D.